Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Shweta Mudgal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Student, today we will start with GK and cover the remaining chapters. Now take out your books and pencils also, as you all know. So open page number chapter 22, Bollywood Trivia. Trivia means a small information or a detailed pieces of information with some little information of value, which we are going to discuss here regarding Bollywood. Clear? Take up the following quiz on milestones in Indian cinema to test your knowledge using the help box. Let's test. Start. Number 1. India's first feature film directed and produced by Dada Saheb Phalke in 1913 was Raja Harishchandra. Student, the highest, or we can say the biggest award in the Indian cinema is also named after him, that is Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Number 2. India's first full length sound film, पूरी पहली बार sound film जो बनी थी वो थी आलम आरा. Number 3. The oldest and the most prominent film award introduced, we are talking here about the awards, introduced in 1954 is the Filmfare Awards. Prominent, important, famous Filmfare Awards. Number 4. The first Bollywood film to be shot in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil was Dhoom 2. Number 5. Salam Namaste movie was the first Indian film to be shot entirely, मतलब पूरी की पूरी फिल्म की शूटिंग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हुई थी and was released in 2005. Here the hints are given and you have to identify the answer. Number 6. A historical romance cinema made in 1960 was the first Indian movie to be digitally remade in color. Name Mughal-e-Azam. You all have heard about it. Student, this is a love story of a son of a Mughal emperor who fall in love with the beautiful courtier named Anarkali, and afterward it was made in color. मीन्स कलर मूवी भी बनी थी, पहले ये ब्लैक एंड वाइट में बनी थी, उसके बाद ये इतनी पॉपुलर, इतनी फेमस हुई कि ये कलर मूवी भी बनी इसकी. Number 7. The first Hindi film made by Subhash Ghai. We all know Mr. Subhash Ghai, a very good director, to appear on the top 20 box office charts in the USA in 1999 was Tal. The name of the movie is Tal, and Aishwarya Rai played a role of an actress. Number 8. The first Indian full-length animation. You all have seen this movie. Can you guess without looking at the answer? I hope you can guess. The answer is Hanuman. Number 9. The first Indian film which was nominated in the Best Foreign Language Film category. Again I am repeating, first the Best Foreign Language Film category. Categories होती हैं awards मिलने के लिए. At the Academy Awards was Mother India. Nargis Dutt played a role in that movie, and you can see the picture also, Mother India, Nargis. ठीक है? Now the number 10. The first Indian actress honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award was Devika Rani. Dada Saheb Phalke Award was Devika Rani, as we have talked in the earlier. It is one of the highest or the biggest award given in the category of Indian cinema presented annually. Clear? Devika Rani is the right answer. Now the exercise or a chapter number 23, Global Landmarks. Landmarks are structure of unusual, historical and usually aesthetic, means a concern with beauty. We are talking here about the some landmarks which is really very beautiful. A belief, a concept, a culture, a country or a city. So what we have to do, where can these structures and monuments be seen? We have to name that places by identifying the picture or by reading the hints given here. Identify the name and city, where appropriate, and the country. Though answer question number 1 is Sydney Opera House is on Benelog Point in Sydney Harbour, close to Harbour Bridge, which is the largest metal arc. Arc, as you can see in the picture, it is a curved symmetrical structure. Arc means curved symmetrical structure. It is one of the most famous 20th century arc bridge on this design in the world. Answer is Sydney / Australia. It is situated in Sydney, Australia. Number 2, a global culture icon named after its designer and engineer. इसका नाम इसी के डिज़ाइनर और इंजीनियर के नाम पर पड़ा. This picture you can easily identify. You have seen in the 7 wonders in Kota also. That is Eiffel Tower. This wrought iron lattice tower was built as the entrance arc to the 1889 World's Fair. Paris, France is the correct answer. Number 3, the world's largest man-made structure. This is man-made structure. You must have heard about it. We are talking about the, can I hide the answer? And will you able to answer? Read the question. This wall was built to protect the country's northern border. It was built more than 2000 years ago with stone, wood and soil. I am talking about the Great Wall of China. Answer is China. I am again repeating the question. The world's largest man-made structure. This wall was built to protect the country's northern border. Country का जो northern border था उसको protect करने के लिए बनाई गई थी. It was built more than 2000 years ago. आज से लगभग 2000 साल पहले. किससे? Stone से, wood से और soil से. Where it is situated in China and we call it the Great Wall of China. And number 4. Completed in 1894. It was started in 1886 and completed in 1894. Tower bridge is combined drawbridge and suspension bridge. This is a type of bridges crossing the river Thames. River Thames को cross पे बनी हुई है, London, England. Okay. As you can see, this is a blue color picture. The Sultan Ahmad Mosque. This is his name is Sultan Ahmad Mosque, situated in the capital of the country. It is popularly known as the Blue Mosque because of the blue tiles on the interior walls. It has 6 minarets, as you can see. That is Istanbul, Turkey. 6. The Brandenburg Gate is a city gate that was built in the 18th century to represent peace. It is representing the peace, and the another important factor about is that it remained shut while the country was divided. ये बंद हुई थी रहती थी जब country divided थी. और कब खुली? Once the 2 parts of the country united again. Country was divided into the 2 parts and it remained shut till that time, and it was opened when the country united again, and the answer is Berlin, Germany. Okay. Number 7. Built in around 1450, Machu Picchu was a well-planned mountain top city of the ancient Inca civilization. You must have heard about the civilization like Mohenjo-daro, and we are talking about Inca civilization. It had among us other things. इसके अलावा यहाँ पर temples, sanctuaries, parks, residencies, लोगों के रहने की जगह, roads और irrigation system भी था. It named Peru, P-E-R-U. Number 8. The Potala Palace built around situated atop Potala Hill. The place has 2 main parts. 2 main parts थे इस palace के. Red Palace, which was used for religious purposes. Red Palace I am talking about, which was used for religious purpose, and the White Palace. The 2 parts are, one is Red Palace and the second is White Palace, which was the main residence and the offices of the Dalai Lama before he fled to India. That is Lhasa, Tibet Autonomous Region. Number 8. Now the number 9. The minaret of Cham, built in the 12th century, it was made entirely of baked bricks. ये पूरी की पूरी baked bricks से बनी हुई थी. It is erratically decorated with geometric patterns and calligraphy and is said to be the source of inspiration for the Qutub Minar in Delhi. It was a source of inspiration of a Qutub Minar in Delhi. It is situated in Afghanistan. It is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Afghanistan. Number 10. The Forbidden City is an imperial palace complex consisting of more than 900 buildings. 900 buildings के अराउंड यहाँ पर हैं that form the residential लोगों के रहने की जगह, political and the ceremonial center of the ruling dynasty. It was planned according to religious and the philosophical principles at that time and is the center of the capital of the country. Its name Beijing, China. Number 11 and the last one is Todaji is the Buddhist temple complex. We are talking about Todaji, Buddhist temple complex है ये. It contains the largest wooden building in the world. यहाँ पर लकड़ी से बनी हुई बड़ी बड़ी largest buildings हैं. The Great Buddha Hall, Sikadiya, sacred to another Japanese religion, Shinto, can be seen roaming around the buildings. That is Nara, Japan. Fill the answers very carefully. We are completing here. I hope you understood it. Thank you.